Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are located in Orihuela Costa Villa Martin. I am at this moment in a nice urbanization where we have 2 ground floor apartments available. They have both 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. They have 65 square meters living space and 50 square meters of terrace on both sides. They have a community parking on this side. Every house has their own number. It's 10 minutes driving to the beach and it's 15 minutes driving to Torrevieja. And now I want to show you more of these nice apartments. Come on. So now I'm gonna show you the property from inside, but first you see that I'm here on a nice terrace. A little bit shade, but we have also sun here, so that's kind of nice. And now let's go inside. We have big sliding doors that gives a lot of light in the property. It's electric blinds as well. As you see, everything what is here will be sold included, all the furniture. We have a nice open kitchen plan. Here we have a nice space for the washing machine also included. So we have here a dishwasher, we have an oven, we have a microwave, we have a nice big fridge. And on this side we have another terrace. That is actually the main entrance. So you can put here as well a table and you can sit here as well with your family, so you can choose on both sides. So we have also climate control, air conditioning and heating that is central. And we have also already an alarm system installed, so you can approve this alarm in the house, but you can also choose not to do it. And then on this side we have 1 bedroom with their own bathroom. So this is kind of more the master bedroom. Nice windows, nice light, and built-in wardrobes. Everything what I told before, it's here, it's sold included. Then on the other side we have another bedroom, but first we have here a separated bathroom. And there's also underfloor heating in both of the bathrooms. And same ID, same plan, built-in wardrobes, nice equipped with the bed, and a lot of lights coming in this property. So now are we ending this video with this nice ground floor property that I show you with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. As you see, I'm standing now on this communal area with the swimming pool. There was a communal parking space, underfloor heating, climate control, air conditioning, and many more things. If you want to have more information about this property, you can contact me on the number below, and the price of this property is €239,000. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.